Okay, today I'm going to show you how to put a QI wireless charging unit inside of a lifeproof battery pack case. I happen to have two of these because this original one, that broke off, so I bought another one, and this is my new one, which I've stained the crap out of. But, so I have a few of these QI battery power charging units. Little eBay cheap. When it's on, it sticks blue. If it sees a foreign object like this, like tinfoil, it flashes. So that means it's not functioning properly and it won't charge. Okay, so I did this one as a proof of concept because I just happen to have an extra one. You can see the QI coils right there. This is the backs of them. I have the fronts of them right there. But this will be a demonstration. I'll cut out the waiting times to show you how to put it in a lifeproof iPhone 6s case. Okay, the first things first is this lifeproof sticker right here. Just peel it off. You put a knife blade under it, and then it peels off. So that's there, and then there's exactly 5 screws holding on a clear plastic case. So there's 5, there's 4 on bottom, oh, 6 actually. Okay, so 6, no 5. There's 1 center. Then there's these 2, leave them on for now, because you'll take them off later. But there's this one, this one, this one, and 2 up here. Take those off, peel off this plastic case. Do it carefully. Once you get this plastic pulled off, it comes off somewhat difficultly. Don't break it, just set it aside now. And then if you have these 2 screws out, this board and this battery should be connected. I already disconnected my battery. It's somewhat simple. This right here just slides out. There's no things holding it down. The battery was connected to this. Just pull it off. It's a simple disconnect. Don't bend anything. That was really important. And just disconnect, take a little work. And then this right here is what we need now. Ooh, okay, to the battery side. Okay, side. This is the micro USB. And these are the terminals. And one is ground and one is power. I'm not sure which, but I know one's ground, one's power. And we're gonna take the very thin wire I got from Hobby Lobby. It's under Dollhouse wiring kit, I believe. It's just super small gauge. This is what we're gonna use. And you're gonna solder 2 wires. Well, it's 1 wire, but there's 2, the power and ground. The power and the ground. And then you're gonna wire it with this, and so we can hook it up to the battery charging system. So you need this set aside. Okay, small update. I got it all hooked up. So I haven't cut that wire yet, but I have got it soldered to the very ends of it. So that means I have power and ground for a micro USB running into whatever that is, doesn't really matter. But make sure there's no crossover, so like you don't have it all soldered together in one big bubble, because it'll short it out, which is pretty bad. And then hook the battery back up to make sure it works. I'm using this thing, plug one of my QI charging units in, and then make so that blue goes on, and if it's working, yep. So I didn't break anything, it still charges properly. Just a little up.